This is the garage. After we finish organizing it and put those shelves back over there with these containers, everything is up clear. And all these things that's hanging, these are the Christmas decoration. And now we're going to see the client who was eager to put his car inside the garage. He'll be driving his car in for the first time for a while, so he will be bringing his car in to the garage. The car inside. All right. There you go. Okay, go back a little bit. Very good. And just to show you how much stuff we have picked up from the garage. This is our almost truck full. All these stuff in there. It's very significant. So now you have gained your the value of your real estate, right?
Absolutely.
So here's the car parked, and it's very good. Yes, car is parked and locked it, and